In this video, we'll demonstrate how to start multiple projects from within a solution. And you may have run into a scenario where you need to launch two applications at the same time. Instead of just setting, like for example, your primary, your startup project, you might say, well, yeah, that's my startup project, but I need more than one startup project. I need, for example, you might need two web browsers to open up at the same time, or you might need a console application to open up as well as a web browser that has your ASP.NET application in it. You might have a need for multiple things to happen at the same time whenever you click the Run button, or the Start button rather. So in order to accommodate this, what you can do is right-click on Solution and select Properties, and the Solution Property Pages pops up. What you'll do is select, instead of the single startup project like we have here, which is currently Multiple Projects 2, what we'll do is select multiple startup projects, and then we can select Start, and even Start without debugging, and select, maybe we don't want this particular project to start. In this case, we're going to select both to start. We can even set the order that we want these to start in. For example, we'll have the multiple projects launching, the first project that I created, to start first, and this one, the multiple projects 2, to start second. Let's go ahead and select Apply and OK, and I'll click the Run button. It builds both the projects. And after a few minutes, both of the Explorer windows pop open. You can see that our second project appears on top because it was loaded second, and our first application loads as well. So we were able to launch them both. Now, like I said, this doesn't seem very helpful in a web scenario. But if you recall our from video 4102, the Remoting Simple project, how we had to go to our Windows Explorer and we had to find the project and then drill down and go to the bin and load up the client and then load up the host as well. Basically what we could do is just go here, select Properties, and then select Multiple Startup Projects, and then we will load our host first and set the action to start, and then we can set our client as the next one to start. Select Apply, OK, and then we'll run. And instead of having to go to the Windows Explorer to launch both of our windows, we have our host and our client created. Pretty neat little tip. So I hope you can find ways to use this within your application development. Thank you.